Alright guys, May here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you my Lemon Zester Grater. I watch cooking shows and they often use a lemon zester for different purposes, but I have just been using the regular grater in the past. So I decided it was time for me to give this lemon zester a try. This zester is made of thickened stainless steel material that is solid, durable, and easy to clean. It has a rubber handle with a non-slip grip, which gives comfort as well as safety when I'm using a sharp kitchen gadget like this. I also like that it has a protector for the outside of the zester to prevent potential injuries. Especially in my house with young kids, it is important to take precautions to keep everyone safe. I always love a good multi-purpose tool, and this is one of them. You could use it for more than just lemons. You could grate cheese, chocolate, ginger, garlic, or even fruits. It basically works for anything that needs grating. I tested this zester to grate some garlic and I compared it with my regular grater, and you can see how fine the grating is with this zester compared to just using a regular grater. So this works very well for dishes where I might want a much finer cut on my ingredients. Overall, I am happy with this gadget and I'm looking forward to trying it on many more food items and different recipes. If you are looking for a zester to add to your kitchen gadget collection, come take a look at this.